Somebody's coming up
I see it. They
our
just crossed the
flank. Yeah.
bridge. They just crossed the bridge. I
Can
can't.
you spot it?
There. That's the bridge they just crossed.
Oh, I don't think it. Oh, oh, that was way behind us.
Yeah. I just saw someone run across it.
Oh yeah, I see. There, one of the bounty carriers passed behind us. Fats.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I
They're
hear.
all spreading out.
I hear running. Past me.
One's gone south. That must have been the one Fats heard. I mean, Tim heard.
Oh. That's over here by me too. Oh yeah. Dude's fighting hellhounds across the river.
I got one hit on him. But he was a long fucking way away, so probably didn't do much damage.
Unless he's a buffalo.
I don't have my buffalo rifle anymore. It's a Winfield.
Uh,
Yeah.
that's sad. That was a good buffalo.
He was fighting zombies, but I think he got away.
I hear voices. Aha!
What? Are you shooting?
Yes.
There's a,
That makes zero sense. How do you not zero rating?
I think they went up into the shack, the watchtower.
well, shit. I just had some zombie fights.
I saw that.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Ah, they're all getting away, damn it.
Yeah, that one was over there somewhere.
We might just want to start heading towards an extraction, too.
Northwest.
You want to get some ammo at this ammo depot before you run off?
I'm okay.
God
I say
damn it! I
no.
picked up another lantern.
Whoa!
Fucking lanterns. Would you say northeast or northwest? I'm sorry.
I was just thinking that extraction point that's up northwest.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm too busy
like at
fighting.
the top of the map?
Yeah.
Well, we saw two people run that way. Well, we heard
Well, you
one.
can still... Oh, well, I think they were all bound.
We could go. We could go west too. It's just you'll want that. Yeah, we could go west as well. Either way.
Okay. I'm just thinking we'll only have 5 minutes once they get out, and that time goes fast. Still hear some shooting.
Well, yeah.
Huh.
It's a lot of shooting. Is this the prison? Oh, hellhound.
Maybe. God damn it! What the fuck?
Come on, stupid mouse.
My computer, my thing just went back to the desktop for a second.
Fucking. Arrgh. Complain, complain. My stupid mouse.
Now, if I guess we won't be so lucky, but if everybody extracted and they still didn't have anything, it might be a rock jaw.
No, because there's 2 bad guys.
That sucked.
I didn't think we'd have a rotjaw if there were 2 bad guys already.
I don't know if that's not possible.
Hi guys, I finally caught up to you. Thanks for shooting the birds.
Now everybody extracted. Okay, no, it does say the mission ends in 4.5 minutes. Could always still be campers here.
Ooh, a lighthouse.
Which extraction are you guys going to? The one that's more south and the one that's more north?
I see one right up here.
I'm at the one that's more north.
Where is... Are you shooting?
Yeah, I'm shooting zombies.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you guys... I guess you guys went to the other extraction.
No, we're coming. We're coming.
Okay.
I'm just covering his ass.
I was at the other one. They're really close to each other. I was surprised.
Yeah. Just gonna go ahead and set this thing on fire real quick.
Ah, it's on fire. I'm on fire too. Just kidding. No one can hit me. Ah, scared the shit out of me, dude.
Well, we get to keep that 1,000 XP.
Well, that was pretty nice.
Oh, that's good.
Guess the way it works is if you die, you don't keep that.
You don't really keep much. Well, you get half of it, probably.
Yeah.
Wow,
Probably. Yeah.
that's not even
probably
doing
right.
anything. We just kind of pretty much froze on this screen, didn't we?